about that? We gotta fold them up here in a second, okay? Right.
If your flag is currently worn out and you're looking for a new one, check out this flag right here. We have the 3x5 foot American flag, and what I love about this one is how durable it is. The stitching on it is done very well. This is durable nylon that is weatherproof and UV resistant, and the bold colors are not going to fade. The stars are individually embroidered, so you have tight knit sewn stitches for a very crisp line, and then also you have 2 bronze grommets. Each of the stripes are individually stitched as well, so you get clean lines. Overall, really well made. Very impressed with the quality. And we're gonna rise it up on our flagpole. And there she goes. Just in time for Memorial Day and 4th of July. We've got a big old flag. We had a smaller one before. Now we have this big 3x5 foot. It's gonna look so great. Y'all give this a try on your flagpole. I know you're not gonna be disappointed. It has a ton of great reviews and the quality, like I said, is really good. Hopefully you like it as much as we do.